Hello guys, in this video we will discuss on how to download and install Jasper Report. So guys, Jasper Report is an open source reporting tool that helps developer to create and customize the reports. It allows user to design and generate reports in various formats such as PDF, Excel, HTML, and more. So let's start to download Jasper Report. So I switch to Google Chrome for downloading Jasper Report. I open Google Chrome and search here Jasper Report download and open this website Jasper Report in new tab and scroll down and here download now. Click on download now and this window is appear. So again I scroll down and Jasper Studio for Windows and version is 7.00. Click here. After clicking this, there is a JasperSoft Studio Community Edition 7.00 for Windows. And before downloading, we have to download this file. Please sign in to your account first. So I sign in here. And I don't have an account, so join community. Firstly, we have to fill this and then create an account. Okay, after creating an account, this window is appear. So we have to download. Then again, I scroll down and click on JasperSoft Studio 7.00 for Windows, and then there is a download option is visible for JasperSoft Studio Community Edition 7.00 for Windows. So I click here to download and downloading is start here. So our file is download here in zip file. So I open this folder and then extract this file. Extract all and extract. Okay, so here our file is extract. So I open this folder and here JasperSoft Studio folder is created and then we have to run this application JasperSoft Studios. Okay, please log in with your JasperSoft community account. So during when we download JasperSoft community, then we create an account. So this email and password we have to enter here. Click on I agree to and then log in. So here our JasperSoft Studio software is installed. In next video, we will generate a first Jasper report.